Creating music burns out many beginner producers, and today I'll show you how to prevent burnout and keep your passion alive. The first reason you are likely to experience burnout is from not experimenting with enough genres. Let me explain. If EDM is the only genre you produce, and you don't step outside of it, your creative mindset becomes limited. This quickly can lead to burnout, from boredom to even struggling to find new, fresh sounds. The second reason you might face burnout is trying to get the perfect sound. I get it. You spent hours on a track, and it's sounding better than ever, but there's still something missing that you're desperately trying to fix. This can consume you for many hours, eventually leading to burnout. And here's how you can avoid this type of burnout. Know when it's time to take a break. If a track isn't clicking, just step away. You can either start a new track using what you've learned, or seek feedback to get a fresh perspective. Sometimes taking that step back can give you the clarity you need. And last but not least, the most common reason beginner producers burn out and give up on a dream of becoming a producer: procrastination. It might feel like you're stuck, but procrastination can lead straight to quitting. So how do you avoid it? Start by making simple demo tracks. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be a full song, but it's better than nothing. The key takeaway: progress, even small, is better than doing nothing. Keep creating and you'll keep growing. Just like how every small step grows your skills, subscribing to this channel helps it too. So hit that subscribe button for more tips and content to keep your creativity flowing. See you next time.